Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show how to make wall cycle animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, I want to make cartoon wall cycle animation. For this, let's go to create new solid layer, add name background and color white, click OK and lock layer, then go to pen tool and go to here, enable title action save and enable professional grid, and let's make shape layer like this, clickation tool, okay, and go to fill, let's use color purple like this, click OK, go to stroke width and select color dark blue, click OK and change stroke width, let's use 16. Okay, and select the shape layer, change name body, close professional grid and enable title action save. Okay, let's move to center like this, go to pen tool, let's fix some problem like this. Okay, so right now let's go to shape layers again and create random rectangle tool. Let's make one shape layer like this, clickation tool and go to fill, let's change color to green and change a little bit like this, click OK and change name foot left, move to here and let's Ctrl D, change name foot right and go to fill, change color to yellow, click OK and finally go to shape layers, create ellipse tool, hold shift, make one ellipse, clickation tool and let's change color to red or pink. Okay, select body, let's move to down and here, move to here, let's go to here, move to anchor point down, select this body, move to down and this foot, move to here and this move to left, clickation tool. Okay, change shape layer name here. So right now we can make wall cycle animation. First, select these foot layers and press P, make new passing keyframe and select this foot right. Let's move to right, select foot left, move to left. And in this time, let's go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut, you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard or click here, right plus 10, click OK and select this foot right, let's move to left, select foot left, move to right and go to again 10 keyframes, select first keyframes, copy paste, select keyframes, make easies and press N, let's see. Okay, so in this time go to here and select this foot left, let's see. Okay, let's select the foot left and move up, let's see. Okay, this is for step animation and go to here, go to center, select foot right and move up, very nice. And in this time go to here, select this foot left and hold shift, press R, open rotation, make rotate keyframe and go to here, let's change rotation like this. Let's move to left and go to here, change rotation and here change 0. Select rotation keyframes, make easies, let's see. Nice. Select rotation keyframes, let's Ctrl C, select foot right, go to here, step time and Ctrl V. Press U for see all keyframes. Nice, let's see. Okay, very good. So in this time, let's select these keyframes, Ctrl C for copy, go to here, Ctrl V for paste. Let's make more keyframes and let's select work area. Okay, select these keyframes, select Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, very good. So right now let's go to first second, select this body, press P, make new passing keyframe, go to 10 keyframe and move to down, go to 10 keyframe again, select first keyframe, copy paste, select keyframes, make easies. And let's hold Alt, go to click time icon for open expression, and go to play button, property and loophole duration. For done expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Nice. We can change times. Let's select these keyframes, hold Alt, move to left for random animation. Nice, very good. And in this time, select body, go to first second, hold shift press R, open rotation, make rotate keyframe, change rotation like this. Let's change 8 and go to center here, change -4 and go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste, select keyframes, make easies. And let's hold Alt, click this time icon, make someone, go to play button, property and loophole duration. Click here for done expression. Let's see. Okay, not bad. And let's select this keyframe and let's change, for example, 3 and go to last keyframe, change 3 and this change -2. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So right now select these rotations, hold Alt, move to left. Okay, this very realistic. And close settings and finally go to select head. Let's link to body and go to first second, press P, make new passing keyframe and go to 10 keyframe. Let's move to down, go to 10 keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste and make keyframes easy ease or click F9 and go to first second, hold shift press R, make rotation keyframe, change rotation like this, go to center, change rotation to right and go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste, select keyframes, make easies. So make some expression for head, hold Alt, go to time position, go to play button, property and loophole duration. Click here and make some for rotation, hold Alt, click time duration and play button, property, loophole duration. Click here for done expression and select this here, press U for see only keyframes. Let's see. Nice. And select this here, hold Alt, move to right. Nice, not bad. And select rotations, hold Alt, move to left. Let's try change to left. Okay, very nice. We can change speed, hold Alt, again move to left. Okay, that's good. So friends, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.